Hi everybody and welcome back. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some science experiments. The first one we're going to do is making a candle float inside of a glass. So let me show you how to do that. As you see, I have some green water here. I am going to pour most of this out onto the plate, and I'm going to get rid of the rest of that green water. Now I'm going to take a candle, and I had my candle. Where'd it go? Oh, right there. All right. So we're going to place that inside of the water. Take 3 matches and make sure they are stuck inside of the candle and are standing straight up. Make sure they're in there pretty tight because you want them to be standing. And if they get wet, get a new one. It's kind of hard to get them in these candles. If you have a pointed end of a match, that would probably be easier for this. But unfortunately, I don't have pointed end matches. So, all right, there we go. So what I'm going to do now is take my lighter and light each match. That one doesn't want to light. Come on. All right. So then you're going to take your cup, put it over top of the candle, and it instantly floats up and sucks up all the water. All right. So that is done. That is that experiment. And we're going to move on to another one. This one is called lava in a cup. So I'm then going to use water and pour this where it's almost full, like probably there. And then you're going to take your vegetable oil and pour like 1/4 cup into that. And you see how it instantly like floats to the top? Well, you can also add some food coloring. So we're going to add some red just so it looks like lava. And then you can, if I can find my spoon, I'm losing everything. Okay, well, anyway. So you're going to mix that in and make that all, if it turns red, there we go. Turns red. So you can see that there's the red on the bottom, and then there's like the oil from the, see the difference in color? It looks a little different on your end. It's more yellow instead of red. Wish I could find my spoon. Oh well. Well, anyway, so what you're going to do next is you're going to add some salt. And if you watch carefully, you can see that the salt bubbles up and comes up to the top like lava. You can even add more to make it do even more. But I thought that turns out pretty cool. And it keeps going for quite some time. But that is lava in a cup. And then our last experiment, and this one I think is really neat and so easy to make. You're going to take a jar. Can be any kind of jar. Mason, bottle, whatever you want. And you're going to, again, fill it up almost to the top, right where it starts to curve. So probably like that. And then I have 2 different types of glitter that I'm going to be using with this. And you're going to need some dish soap. So you're going to put in just a little squirt of dish soap, not a lot, and a little bit of glitter. So some green, and I have some gold, and then I'm going to put the lid on and make sure the lid is super tight. So you're going to shake that up just to make sure that all that glitter is floating around in the water. Then when that's shook up, you're going to shake this in a circular motion. And then you're going to be able to see a tornado. If I can't hold on to it right, it's wet. So we'll try that again. I don't know why it's not working right now. It did before. Okay, I figured out the problem. It just needed to get some of the soap scum off of the top. Alright, so when you shake it, you can see a tornado inside of the glass. I hope you guys can see that. It looks really super cool. And then it settles, and then you can do it again. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a great big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Bye, everyone. Love you.